Become your hater. You done?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Nice. My 4 channels are on the right side.
Okay, I see it, yep. All right. So what's your name here? What's in here?
Braden, I got 3 dB SA 305s on a single AK wired to 0.8 because they're going 0.2 ohms. I got 2 banks of 35 amp hour yin longs. I got 4 at the house. I'm waiting on them. My tuning is 25 in the rear, 50 in the front.
Okay.
And it does pretty good for what the subs are.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Who built the box?
Me and him, my dad. We built it. We did this all together.
Nice work.
Yeah, it's a work in progress.
I like it. Solid. Looks good.
Drew Jones design.
Have you done any meteor scores, SPL yet?
Yeah, my highest score I've gotten on the glass is a 154. Highest at the headrest, a 151.
Okay.
And then kick scores, I guess, just a 54 because I haven't done them in a while.
Okay. Yeah. Sweet. I like that you can see into it right here.
Yeah.
So you can see the subwoofers if there's any issues or just to check the subflex out. Nice. All right. That back port helped a lot, I'm sure, with the lows.
Yeah, because I was going to originally do a 4th and then Drew recommended a 6th, so.
Shut the fuck up. Your fans become your haters. You done? Beer together, yelling at the mic. We doing this one so weird. Why you yelling at the mic? Rihanna just hit me on a text. Last night I left hickeys on her neck. Wait, you just dissed me, I'm perplexed. Insult me in a line, compliment me on the next. Damn, I'm really sorry you want me to have a heart attack. Was watching 8 Mile, I'm on auto track. Realized I forgot to call you back. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I wrote it on a starter cap. Stand.
It's on this man, isn't bad, but I'm gonna make
bandwidth is really good too.
Yeah, that's the like most I hear from people on it, really.
very good bandwidth, musical. I appreciate the demo. We're good.
Yeah. Oh, you're good?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're good. Thank you very much for showing me, man.
For sure.
Great two-song demo. You
yeah.
showed me everything. I enjoyed it.
I appreciate
Thank you very
listening
much.
to it, man.
Yeah, man. What's your name?
Braden.
Braden.
Yep.
All right. Thank
Nice
you
to meet
for
you, man.
watching my videos too, JacobViral. Yeah, man. Nice.